What if the fatigue, bloating, brain fog, or unexplained health issues you feel every day are not random at all, but something hidden inside your body, slowly draining your energy? That is exactly the fear-based idea GutFlush Ivermectin is built around. And in this review, we take a calm, realistic look at whether this parasite cleanse actually works, or if it is just another cleverly marketed product. GutFlush is advertised as a powerful solution that claims to remove hidden parasites and restore overall health, often implying that most people are infected without knowing it. Yet in reality, true parasite infections require proper medical testing and prescription-based treatment, not supplements sold through aggressive ads and testimonials. When examining the product and user feedback, several red flags consistently appear, including reports of missing order confirmations, poor or non-existent customer support, and testimonials that appear exaggerated or unverifiable. Another serious concern raised by customers is the subscription billing system, where buyers are automatically enrolled in recurring monthly charges that many claim are extremely difficult to cancel, sometimes forcing them to block their cards or contact their bank. The website itself relies heavily on misleading FDA-style language, anonymous ownership details, dramatic discounts, and artificial urgency through fake social proof, all of which are common tactics used in questionable online offers. Additionally, the formula appears to be a generic supplement that has been rebranded and relaunched under different names after complaints begin to surface, rather than a unique or medically supported solution. As for results, experiences reported online are inconsistent, with some users noticing no meaningful changes at all, while others question whether any perceived effects are simply placebo-related. Overall, GutFlush Ivermectin presents itself as a solution to a frightening problem, but the marketing tactics, billing practices, and lack of transparent medical backing make it essential for viewers to approach this product with caution and make informed decisions rather than acting on fear.